Cayenne pepper is a spicy chili that belongs to the capsicum genus. People regularly utilize it to add flavor to savory recipes. They were originally grown in Central and South America, but Christopher Columbus brought them to Europe in the 15th century. Cayenne peppers are a widely used spice in a variety of regional cooking techniques, and they have been used medicinally for thousands of years. In this video, we'll be going through some of the best health benefits cayenne pepper has to offer. Before we get into it, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss out on our future uploads. 1. Helps boost your metabolism. Cayenne pepper has been shown in studies to increase metabolism, and even decrease hunger. We must thank capsaicin for this, which is also called a thermogenic chemical. This molecule is believed to increase the amount of heat produced in our systems, causing us to burn more fat and calories. According to studies, eating meals high in capsaicin might increase our metabolic rate by 20%, for up to 2 hours. According to a 2014 study, participants who ate red peppers with every meal had fewer cravings and a greater sense of fullness. This suggests that included capsaicin in your diet can help you lose weight. As a result, cayenne pepper can assist you in your weight loss efforts. But that doesn't mean you should fill your plate up with just cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper consumption on a daily basis may lessen its effects as the body becomes accustomed to it. 2. Relieves pain. Cayenne pepper, because of its heat, stimulates pain responses in other places of the body, which helps ease migraine symptoms. It works by lowering the quantity of substance P, an neuropeptide produced by the body that travels to the brain to communicate with it. Because the signal cannot reach the brain when substance P is reduced, pain is reduced. Chronic soft tissue pain, post-surgery pain, and lower back pain are all treated with capsaicin cream. However, its cream should not be used on an open wound because it can aggravate it. Oral capsaicin pills, according to research, may aid athletes to ease pain and discomfort. However, the dosage and mechanism of action are still being researched. 3. Reduces cold symptoms. Cayenne pepper is used in home treatments for coughs, congestion, and colds, by some people. When allergies or smoking are not the cause of symptoms including sneezing, stuffy nose, postnasal drip, and congestion, authors of a 2016 review discovered that capsaicin may help. Capsaicin may work by constricting dilated blood vessels in the nose and throat. Capsaicin nasal spray offered significant fast and durable alleviation from the aforesaid symptoms in a 2019 trial, including 46 participants, even when allergies were not the reason. The spray's effects were noticeable as fast as 10 minutes after application. Meanwhile, according to a 2015 study, cayenne pepper may have antimicrobial qualities. In lab experiments, scientists discovered that it was effective against group A streptococci, the bacteria that causes strep throat and other infections. 4. Helps reduce hunger. Cayenne peppers, interestingly, may lower hunger, allowing you to eat less and stay filled for longer. Capsaicin, found in cayenne peppers, has been shown in numerous studies to aid in the reduction of hunger. It's unclear how it achieves this, although one study found that it decreases the synthesis of the hunger hormone ghrelin. According to one study, participants who took capsaicin ate less food during the day than those who did not. Those who took capsaicin pills ate 10% fewer calories, while those who drank a capsaicin-containing beverage ate 16% fewer calories. In the same study, participants said they felt fuller while consuming fewer calories. 5. Improves digestive health. Cayenne has an incredible capacity to increase heart rate and circulation, speeding up the digestion process. It also boosts the generation of digestive fluid, and increases the stomach's ability to fight infections. The pepper also helps to ease the delivery of vital enzymes to the stomach. All of this is beneficial to your digestive system. Capsaicin, found in cayenne pepper, has been shown in tests to aid in the healing of stomach ulcers. Excessive consumption of spicy meals can, of course, result in ulcers. Capsaicin, however, is not at fault. Intestinal gas, stomach pain, diarrhea, and an upset stomach can all be treated with pepper. 6. Might help reduce blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major health concern all over the world. Over 40% of persons over the age of 25 have high blood pressure. According to some publications, cayenne pepper's capsaicin can reduce blood pressure overnight. Although it has not been properly verified, it is true that cayenne pepper can assist in the treatment of high blood pressure. The pepper dilates blood arteries, increasing blood flow. Your blood pressure naturally decreases as the rate of blood flow through your system increases. Long-term use of dietary spices containing capsaicin helped lower blood pressure in rats with high blood pressure, according to one study. However, you also need to do your research and take these findings with a grain of salt. 7. Protects the heart. Cayenne is beneficial to the heart, since it enhances blood vessel health and decreases blood pressure. Cayenne pepper also helps to prevent blood clots, which makes it useful in the prevention of heart attacks. Capsaicin dissolves the fatty deposits that clog arteries. Cayenne has also been shown to help with blood circulation and cardiac arrhythmia, in studies, irregular heartbeat. Cayenne pepper is also helpful in avoiding diabetes-related heart disease. Furthermore, cayenne has been shown to aid in the reduction of plaques, and might lower cholesterol. It reduces plaque buildup by breaking down the fibrin networks that keep it in place. 8. Reduces cancer risk. Capsaicin, found in cayenne peppers, has been shown to lower cancer risk. Capsaicin accomplishes this by targeting many pathways involved in cancer cell development. Many types of malignancies, including pancreatic and skin tumors, are said to be slowed or even killed by capsaicin, according to studies. However, research into its human impacts has yet to be completed. All of these findings are based on animal studies, so it's too soon to make any conclusions about its cancer-fighting abilities in humans. Well, there you have it. Did you find this video informational or helpful? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Here are some other videos you might like. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related content.